Hello boy and girl memers, welcome to another meme challenge from Quiz Zone. Today we will play a meme song for you and you have to guess the meme. So hit that like and subscribe button to support us and let's start the challenge. Alright memers, here's our famous 2020 meme song. Can you guess it? It's the famous coffin dance. This meme was a sensation of 2020. Moving on to the second meme. Can you name it? It's the Chin Cheng Hanji song. Did you guess it right? Here's a famous TikTok trend. Can you guess the meme?
Skibidi Bop, yes, yes, yes.
It's the Skibidi Bop song. Look at that belly dance.
Skibidi Bop, yes, yes, yes.
Do you know which one of these memes uses this audio? It's the song used in My Coherent meme. Our next song dates back to 2009. Can you guess this one? It's the I'm Blue song. Pretty catchy lyrics, right? Alright now, who sings I'm Blue better? Kanye West? Or Donald Trump? Comment down your answer and let us know. Let's move on to the next one. This one is easy. Can you guess it? It's the White Putin meme song. Did you guess it right? Alright, here's a cute one. Guess the meme. It's Dance Till You're Dead. A happy puppy dances to this song. Alright, moving on, let's see if you can guess this one. It's the Russian kid dancing. Did you guess this one right? Here's our next meme song. Can you guess this one? It's the Elgato in My Mind dance. Alright now, this one is a famous Arabic meme. Can you guess it?
صوت صفير البلبل هيج قلبي الثمل الماء والزهر معا.
It's the Bulbuli song. The rhythm is great.
صوت صفير البلبل هيج قلبي الثمل الماء والزهر معا.
Alright meme lovers, you answered half of our meme questions. If you're enjoying this quiz so far, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you won't miss any of our future videos. Alright, back to the memes. Can you guess the meme by its song? It's the Mind Blown meme template. Is your mind blown yet? Moving on to the next meme. Can you guess it? It's the shot on iPhone meme. It's a pretty funny outro. This one is a bit harder. Can you guess the meme? It's the directed by Robert B. Wade meme template. Get ready for this one. You ready? You just got rickrolled. It was the Rick Astley's Never Gonna Give Up song. We have another song here. Can you guess the meme? It's this Naughty Boys Glow Up meme. Did you guess this one? Speaking of Megamind, who do you think is more powerful, Metro Man or Titan? Comment down your answer and let us know. Moving on to the next song. This one is hard. Can you guess it? It's The Seventh Element by Vitus. Did you guess it right? Here's a funny music. Can you guess the meme? It's the Kuru Kuru meme. Did you guess this one? We've got another song that got famous by a meme. Can you guess it? It's the Chinese dodging bat trend. Here's another meme song. Can you guess it?
5'6" Nike kicks. Ooh, that is so fire!
It's the Buckle My Shoe meme. Did you guess it right?
5'6" Nike kicks. Ooh, that is so fire!
And here's our last meme song. Check it out. You got it. That's the anime Toka Toka dance. And that's it. This is the end of our meme song challenge. Comment down your score and click here to watch another meme quiz.